Okay, somebody else is here. They've got a lot lined up for today, apparently. So I'll speed this up a little bit. Okay, so they've got this sunroom. It's definitely not heated. I mean, I guess it could be. It is totally finished. Here's the view. Okay, that is the garage on this side. So you don't really see any neighbors from the back. I mean, well, you can over there, I guess, but they're not right on top of you. That's the dock down there. Okay, and you gotta keep going back to get to the shower in here. Here's one bedroom. This would be, I guess this would be considered the master because it's got the bathroom attached to it. Although the bedroom I was just in doesn't have a bathroom attached to it, but it has the lake. I mean, you walk out to the deck and it's got the lake right out there. Okay, so that's the first floor, and then we'll go down to the basement here. Carpet's in good shape going down to the basement. Floors are in good shape, all in all. And this basement's got some retro tile, but it's kind of cool. Okay, so we have another wood burning fireplace down here. The basement layout's kind of you've got the center part where the stairs came down, and then it's kind of a circle around it. Okay, so here's the utility room. Well, it has a water softener anyway. I guess it's more just a laundry room. Oh, I know it's dark in here, but it's the HVAC. I don't see a date on it. I'll have to look in the disclosure and see if they have any information on that. Well, I'll probably have to have him email me a disclosure because this wasn't... The agent listing this is from out of the area, so it's not on my local MLS, which is where I have access to documents like seller disclosure. So this is retro, but It's in good shape. I don't see any cracked tiles. Okay, here's another bedroom. We have a little step down here. This is carpet. It's in good shape though. It's a big room. Gosh, I would think these beds look built in. They'd probably convey with the property. We'd have to write that in for sure if that's what you wanted, but okay, and we have another bedroom in here. Good size. Looks like they started to remove the wallpaper, and so it seems like all the bedrooms but two have this lake view. I'm going to do a separate video for the outside.